Thank you for choosing Apera. Connection of conductivity electrode. First, pick up the meter. On the top of the meter, you'll find 3 ports for conductivity, temperature, and pH or ORP. Now, let's connect the conductivity electrode. Align the electrode connector with the port, making sure the notch is aligned. Insert the connector, then tighten the locking ring. Conductivity calibration. First, short press mode to switch the meter to conductivity mode. Rinse the electrode with deionized water. Shake off the excess water or gently dab it with Kim wipe. The conductivity calibration is performed from low to high concentration. This video uses a 3-point calibration as an example. First, use the 84 microsiemens per centimeter solution for calibration. Long press the cal button to enter calibration mode. Immerse the electrode in the 84 microsiemens per centimeter solution. Stir gently and wait until the reading stabilizes. Short press enter to complete the calibration. The L icon at the bottom left confirms the first point conductivity calibration is complete. When calibrating from low to high conductivity, there's no need to rinse the electrode between points. Gently wipe it dry with a Kim wipe. Immerse the electrode in the 1413 microsiemens per centimeter solution. Long press the cal button to enter calibration mode. Stir gently and wait until the reading stabilizes. Short press enter to complete the calibration. The M icon at the bottom left confirms the second point conductivity calibration is complete. Gently wipe it dry with a Kim wipe. Long press the cal button to enter calibration mode. Immerse the electrode in the 12.88 millisiemens per centimeter solution. Stir gently and wait until the reading stabilizes. Short press enter to complete the calibration. The H icon at the bottom left confirms the third point conductivity calibration is complete. The meter supports K0.1, 1.0, and 10.0 electrodes. Set the constant in P2.1. The meter uses the following conductivity standard solutions: 84 microsiemens per centimeter, 1413 microsiemens per centimeter, 12.88 millisiemens per centimeter, and 111.8 millisiemens per centimeter. Factory calibrated and ready to use. The meter should be recalibrated weekly for high accuracy, temperature differences, or new electrodes, using at least 2 points if required. Rinse the electrode thoroughly before and after each measurement. Immerse the electrode in the sample solution. Stir gently and wait until the reading stabilizes. Read the conductivity value or short press M+ to store the measurement. The conductivity measurement is now complete. Data storage and recall. By default, the meter is set to manual storage mode. After each measurement, short press M+ to store the data. The M+ icon and the storage number will appear on the screen, indicating the measurement has been successfully stored. To enable automatic storage, go to parameter P3.3 and set the storage interval. In this video, 1 minute is used as an example. After setting the interval, press Measure button to return to measurement mode. The clock icon will appear at the top of the screen. When the reading stabilizes, short press M+. The clock icon will begin flashing and the first measurement will be stored. During automatic logging mode, manual storage is disabled. After the preset time interval, the next measurement will be stored automatically. The number next to M+ indicates how many sets of data have been stored. To pause automatic logging, short press M+ again. The clock icon will stop flashing. In measurement mode, short press RM to recall the most recently stored measurement. The RM icon and the stored data will appear on the display. Continue pressing up or down to browse through the stored data one by one. Short press measure button to return to measurement mode. To exit automatic logging mode, set the interval to 0 in parameter P3.3. Select Yes in parameter setting P3.6 to delete all the stored data. Once deleted, the data cannot be retrieved. Parameter settings. In the measurement mode, short press Setup button to enter main menu, then press up or down to navigate through the menu. In this video, we use P2.1 conductivity constant settings as an example. Short press Enter to enter P2.1. 1.0 flashes on the screen. Short press the up key to select 1.0 to 10.0 to 0.1. Short press Enter to confirm. After completing the required parameter settings, short press Measure button to return to measurement mode.